Stay tuned to find out who wins that coveted title. Don't miss any game day tweets and follow our fellow feathered correspondent at Beat the Bird on Twitter.
Timeout. As Russ Spalding keeps his team limber during the timeout, let's meet a rescue pup in need of a home in Los Angeles in this Pup Close and Personal story.
In Playa Vista, Los Angeles, at the Annenberg Pet Space, a little lab mix puppy named Java is playing in the sunshine before he sets off to meet a very special celebrity friend. Java is lucky to be alive after his challenging start to life.
So Java and his siblings and his mom were found abandoned in a box in the California desert. And we were able to rescue him from that terrible situation.
Today, Java is about to go and hang out with award-winning actor and animal advocate Kristen Bell. She'll be fostering him for the day and finding out what kind of forever home would be right for Java.
Kristen, how are you?
Aww.
Not gonna lie, I'm in heaven. I'm in heaven right now.
Java is to die for, and he had a pretty rough start, but we swooped in just in time to save his siblings and him and his mom, Vienna.
I'm very, very excited to hang out with Java for the day. I know. Just wants to smooch me. This is not for a little guy. Oh, he stole it. Gotta be quicker than that, Java. Nobody wants toys, huh? Everyone wants people.
Next, it's time to see what kind of snuggler Java is.
Major fail. You're not big enough yet. What do you think? It's going to be 100 degrees this weekend. No. That is an incredibly affectionate, emotionally available man. He and Frank get along just fine. Are you guys buddies? But Java seems to be interested mostly in people and sitting in their laps and kissing their faces.
Aww.
Thanks to Kristen's insights into Java's personality, the shelter was able to find him the perfect forever home. But to find another pup just like him, go to puppybowl.com/adopt.
Back to the action, and Team Ruff's Tank and Team Fluff's Bellamo are facing off, pero a pero.
Bellamo is a talented rookie whose signature swipe move is attracting attention.
And there it is. You called it, Sage. That is one talented defensive end.
No buts about it, Steve. See how it throws his opponents totally off balance?
And there's another swipe.
He's unstoppable when he gets a notion to put his backfield in motion. It looks like Bellamo's bravado has inspired his teammate Erica. She's come out of the corner and grabbed a toy.
Hey, Erica. How are you? So close. Doing real well. I saw you put some jaws on the chew toy, so I think we're getting there. You keep at it, all right? I believe in you, Erica.
Erica might not be ready to take the field just yet, but Tank sure is. He grabs a toy and is heading for pay dirt, but is forced out of bounds at the pylon. Tank gets right back into the fray. He's got another toy, and with his teammates double teaming Bellamo downfield, Tank has room to rumble. He reverses field, but fumbles. He scoops it up, but fumbles again, and then kicks it in for the first field goal of the game. Field goal.
Oh!
Field goal, Tank.
Yeah.
Great job. Tank's 3 points help Ruff close the gap to 35-31 in favor of Team Fluff. This is anyone's game, Sage.
And that's the end of the first half.
Cut.
The cheerleaders couldn't get enough.
Hi.
First half here at Puppy
Oh.
17.
Oh,
It looks like
cute.
some of the puppies have made their mark in the tunnel entrance. Club and Seal Kitty Halftime Show, featuring an exclusive performance by feline DJ sensation
Ha.
Master Scratch.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah!
Only on Animal Planet.
Wow! Wow! Ow! Ow! Say hi. Hey. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Football, football, puppy, puppy, kitty, kitty. Bye, Peanut, bye, Liz. Bye. You rock. I'm best.
Her disability actually probably came from genetic. Cuddly has really helped us provide the best life enrichment for the animals that are in our shelters. Even though they're not in homes, they are provided with toys, bowls, and all sorts of things to keep them comfortable and happy.
Who's Alex?
He used to travel quite a bit.
Bye.
Who's phone is that?